Hi everybody, what are you doing? Now I sing a song that you sing. Hey, none of that now. I'm going to sing. It was all time, and this is what I'm going to sing. Hey, I want to, it was all story now. When the hills are bright, when the bull came away, looking into self again. When when a boy was born, no, I don't know. Uh, stop. How I win? What? Uh, uh, what? God. Oh, didn't I still in love? Great hills of love. Now I've got to watch carefully because I'm going to dance now. But we don't have any. Yes, we do. Not that good, but it was good. Think of it a sec. Don't worry, I won't be sick all over that camera. Don't, do not worry now. What am I doing? My new dress, my new purse, and my friends. Let's just dress. Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Answer me, yes. Oh, yes. I got new shoes too. Do you wait? I'm sorting them now. I need to. Right. Now, do you like them? No, for sure. Do you like them? They're pretty, aren't they? Clunk, 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 and Chola, 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 Chola. Yeah. Right. Dear December, if you're watching this, I prove that I have the Mooncat Teddy. Okay? I love meerkats. And to Shantu, or anyone in my class, there is something for you. I was just testing if you heard that. This is the pencil I was talking about. Well, this is really meant for Shannon or whoever I told. So, I hope you enjoy that and a big bye.